Hey guys, so today we are traveling from Mumbai to Aurangabad, which will take at least 6 to 7 hours by car. Our main destination is Lonar Crater Lake, so we'll be reaching there from Aurangabad directly. And this is our lovely pet Bubble. He is also traveling with us, and I hope he is enjoying the journey. So we are here in Aurangabad, and as you can see here, the party is going on for New Year, and we are in a resort. Its name is Hiranyan Resort, and they have organized a tent party. As you can see, the many tents are located over here. So we'll be staying in the tents overnight. Tomorrow we'll be traveling to Lonar. First we'll go to Daitya Sudan temple, and then we'll be going to the Lonar Crater Lake. It's almost 5 am in the morning, and from Aurangabad we are traveling to Lonar. It takes almost 4 to 5 hours by car from Aurangabad to Lonar. Hi guys, we are here in Lonar. We are here to see the temple which is similar to Khajuraho. So the name of the temple is Daitya Sudan. Daitya Sudan temple is a beautiful Lord Vishnu temple and has been dated to the reign of the Chalukya dynasty, who ruled central and southern India between 6th and 12th century AD. This temple was built by Chalukya Raja Vijayaditya. So let's see what our guide is telling about the temple. I'll help you with the translation. The guide is telling the temple belongs to Maharashtra, but its sculpture exactly looks like the temples of the southern India. The temple has 7 layers, and it forms a boundary around the temple, which is believed to protect the king. So he is explaining all the 7 layers one by one. First layer, base of the temple. The second layer is the lotus flower. The third layer is called the Gopad, or the footprint of the cow. The fourth layer, it's the swan. The fifth layer is known as the Kamal Kalika, the lotus flower which is present in Vishnu's hand. The sixth layer is called the Kirti Mukha. And the last layer is shown as the dancing ladies, which is indicating the symbol of happiness. Now in the front of the temple we can see many flowers. Apart from that, we can see the kalash or the urn. According to the Indian culture, the kalash is considered to be sacred during any festival. Apart from all this, we can see other sculptures also, which is also present in the temple named Khajuraho, situated in Madhya Pradesh. As this temple belongs to Lord Vishnu, so Lord Vishnu's different avatars has been sculptured in this temple. The temple has Hemantpanti style of construction and is built in the form of asymmetrical star. is the roof of the temple, and the unfinished roof suggests an intended pyramidal form for the tower. The whole temple is made up of basalt, and as we can see, this is the main entrance of the temple. The main entrance of the temple is east facing. Now this is the north part of the temple. The north part of the temple has Narsimha. As you can see the sculpture, it's not very clear from the far, I'm sorry for that. Now we'll go inside the temple and see what's in there. As we can see, there are many chambers inside the temple, and in the main chamber there is an idol of Lord Vishnu. Inside the temple, it's really very dark and we can barely see without the help of the torch. As the guide is telling, this is the second chamber, which is called the Antaral, where individual pujas are performed. The ceiling of the chamber carries beautiful carvings of slaying of Lavanasur by Lord Vishnu, appearance of Lonar lake, story of Kangsha Krishna, Narsimha killing Hiranyakashyap along with Ras Leela. The outermost is the assembly chamber. Apart from that, he is also explaining an interesting story of how this place got its name Lonar. Lord Vishnu is said to have come down to its place in the form of a young handsome boy called Daitya Sudan to slay Lavanasura, the demon who lived under the earth in this area along with his sisters. Daitya Sudan killed the demon in a battle which ended up in creating the Lonar lake. Now this is the main idol of Vishnu, which is standing upon a demon, and this is mainly made up of iron ore and that looks like almost a stone. The idol was found from underground during 1847. Now this is all about the temple Daitya Sudan. From here we'll be going to see another architecture in Lonar, which is also known as the step well. So let's see how it looks like. So this is another beautiful place present in Lonar. It is considered to be the sacred holy bathing place of Lord Vishnu. So it is also known as the step well. The water coming out in this place is mainly the natural spring, and during the 11th and 12th century the people have made this place and converted this place into a beautiful architecture to conserve this natural spring. Here is very sweet, and from here it goes to the lake. Now this is the step well which has been made during the 11th and 12th century to conserve the natural spring water. Here there are staircases where you can go down and reach through the jungle to the Lonar lake, as you can see behind. So guys, this is our day 1 in Lonar. Tomorrow we will be going out in the early morning to see the Lonar crater lake, and we'll be trekking all the way through the jungle. Tomorrow will be exciting, so wait for another video in Lonar day 2, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hope you liked and enjoyed the video, and you can find the link of my day 2 video in my description box. Thank you and have a nice day.